Flagpoles, etc. presents a customized gold plaque suitable for all flagpoles. This plaque gives the flagpole further importance when dedicated to a team or person to be remembered. These plaques make it easy to customize your flag display case with an engraved brass plate. Engraved plates are also perfect for nameplates, signs, desks, trophies, and more. They are easy to install and will last for years in the outdoors. Our 3x5 engraved aluminum brass plaques can be curved to fit the diameter of your flagpole. There are multiple different letter styles available, including block, italic, or Roman style. These plaques are supplied with reversible sticky tape located on the back. Our flagpole plaques are suitable for 3-inch and larger diameter flagpoles. Our company offers free shipping and guarantees the lowest prices, always beating our competitors by 5%. If you have any questions or would like to discuss verbiage or styling for your flagpole plaque, give us a call at 888-735-5591 or visit our website at flagpolesetc.com.